The human person in the environment. There is a branch of philosophy that studies the relationship between the human beings and the environment. It is known as environmental philosophy. Environmental philosophy believes that human beings interact not only with each other but also with other living and non-living beings in the environment. As such, they can affect the environment around them as much as it can affect them. Environmental philosophy deals with issues such as man's place and role in nature, the effects of human activities to the environment, and the moral responsibility of human beings towards other living and non-living beings. There are three major reviews on the relationship between human beings and the environment, namely anthropocentrism, biocentrism, and ecocentrism. Anthropocentrism comes from the Greek words and anthropos, meaning human being, and kentron, center. It's the view that human beings are just central or most important being in the environment, such as need for is just a mere resource the humans can use for the needs and survival. Biocentrism, on the other hand, from bios, which means life, is the view that human beings are not the only significant species on the planet. All organisms have inherent value and therefore should be protected. Lastly, ecocentrism, from oikos, meaning home places, great value, or ecosystems and biological communities. It believes that human beings are part of a greater biological system or community, and that we have a significant role as stewards or guardian of nature. It promotes the idea that order and balance in nature brings about stability, beauty, and well-being. Ecocentrism, it's perhaps the most revolutionary and sustainable among the three views. As such, it's helped develop the contemporary ideologies and movements known as environmentalism and ecologism. Environmentalism seeks to protect, preserve, and restore and improve the natural environmental and critical natural system and processes such as the climate by controlling pollution, protecting plant and animal diversity, recycling, etc. Environmentalism claim that all living things, the natural environment as a whole, deserve consideration in political, economic, and social policies. One of the main goals of environmentalism is sustainability, or the ability to maintain an ecological balance and the natural environment and conserve natural resources to support the well-being of current and future generation. There are three principles of sustainability: environmental integrity, economic efficiency, and equity. Environmental integrity refers to maintaining the state of the environment. It means that human activities should not disrupt the acres, systems, and communities located in area. Economic efficiency, on the other hand, refers to the produce and frugality and decision-making regarding the use of natural resources to ensure that there is minimum to zero, such a way that waste. While equity demand, but we use our natural resources and conserve natural resources for future generations. Three radical ecological theories: deep ecology, social ecology, ecofeminism. Ecologism emphasizes the interconnection between living and non-living beings. Peoples and environments' well-being are interdependent. More radical opposes the use of nature for commercial purposes. Social ecology, associated with Murray Bookchin, 1921 to 2006. Ecological problems can be traced to social problems, to different forms of social hierarchy and domination. Solution: a model of society adapted to the development of both humans and the biosphere. Deep ecology, introduced by Arne Næss, 1912 to 2009. All living things possess equal value and intrinsic worth regardless of their usefulness to other beings. The environment has basic moral and legal rights to live and flourish. Ecofeminism, patriarchal view of nature is the root cause of ecological problems. Solution: remove concepts of superiority and inferiority in human relations. A society that tolerates the oppression of women is directly linked with its tolerance of environmental abuse. Environmental philosophy studies the moral relationship between human beings and the environment. Three views on human-environmental relationship: anthropocentrism, biocentrism, ecocentrism. Equals environmentalism and ecologism. Environmentalism seeks to protect, preserve, restore, and improve the natural environment by changing harmful human activities and promoting environmental policies. Ecologism emphasizes the interconnection between living and non-living beings, seeks to protect and preserve natural ecosystems in order to bring well-being to human beings and the environment. Deep ecology, social ecology, and ecofeminism